Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we are looking at an air temperature coming in at 63 degrees with a dew point coming in at 58. My goodness, is that a comfortable dew point value? Enjoy it, because it's really not going to last a whole long time. In fact, I think as we head into the afternoon, we'll start to see that dew point climb back up into the 60s. And then as we head into tomorrow, probably upper 60s, because we have a front approaching that's going to switch our winds around again to a more southerly direction. Right now, though, they're east-northeast, coming in at about 7, and that's the reason that we have that lovely dew point value. Sunny, blue skies again today. Don't see any problems there. Don't see any rainfall in today's forecast. 62, the current morning temperature by 7 a.m., I think. We're seeing a temperature that's about 5 degrees cooler than it was 24 hours ago at this time, because that lower dew point, lower humidity air has finally worked its way in. And low dew point air has the tendency to cool down efficiently when the sun goes down, but to warm up pretty quickly as well when the sun comes up. And that's what's going to happen today. We're going to get our temperature up to about 83 degrees, in part because of that sunshine and the higher sun angle at this time of year as we head into spring. And also because we're going to see our winds start to shift a little bit more to a southerly direction. 76 degrees by the time we get into the evening hours, and it should be a beautiful, beautiful evening. Tide and radar not showing much around the state this morning, and don't expect much. Florida Straits still has a few scattered showers, and if you're traveling today to Miami, you may encounter an isolated shower or two, but really that's about the only place in the state where you're going to see much. A frontal boundary back to the west will be approaching. We've got a couple of areas of low pressure that are going to be impacting our weather over the next several days. This first one moves closer to us and eventually brings a cold front into our state by later tonight. First into the Panhandle, and then eventually tomorrow night into our area. In advance of that, we'll see our winds shift more to a southerly direction, and tomorrow moisture will be pumped up into the state so that when that front moves through here tomorrow evening, I think we'll have probably a decent chance at seeing some showers around, maybe even a thunderstorm. And that will occur, I think, mostly after 5 o'clock in the evening, probably before 2 o'clock in the morning. And then that front is going to stall out and just sort of wag its tail over us over a couple of days, and that's going to lead to some unsettled weather. Watch the RPM computer model put it into motion. This is Saturday at 9 o'clock in the evening. You can see the showers around from front number 1. Front number 1 sinks south, stalls out, returns back north as a warm front on Sunday, and brings us a chance of rain. Then front number 2 approaches by Monday, bringing a chance of rain showers as well, and it kind of lingers around through Tuesday. So unsettled weather for several more days in a row. We'll be watching that then kind of clear out and bring us some sunshine as we head into the next several days. Rainfall futurecast shows accumulation of rain with these systems. Not all that great. You know, as we go through Sunday morning, the Saturday night rains will probably bring us less than half an inch, way less than half an inch. And over the course of the next several days, we'll be really lucky, I think, to pick up half-inch rainfalls. Southwest wind comes in at about 10 knots. That'll be switching west in the afternoon with a sea breeze. That'll keep the coast a little bit cooler. It'll also help to kind of effectively continue to push moisture in across the region. Then overnight tonight, we'll develop that southerly wind that I was talking about that'll carry us into tomorrow as well. 2-foot seas, light chop on your bay and inland waters. Should be a nice day for boating, actually. We have a couple of tides to talk about. 10:01 this morning will be a low tide, followed by a high tide at 4:02. And then early in the morning, another low tide at 1:13. And by the way, there's not much red tide around right now, so it should be great to be out there on the water this weekend. 83 degrees today. Tomorrow we'll go with about 82. A little bit more cloud cover around during the afternoon. Chance of showers at night through early Sunday morning. Rain chance goes from about 40% to about 30% early Sunday morning. We kind of clear out, I think, Sunday afternoon. Daytime high 82. Then on Monday, again, another chance of showers. Another chance of showers on Tuesday. These are not going to be rain out days, but they'll just be that isolated chance of a shower or two. Probably the best rain chance day will be Tuesday. Everything starts to clear out as we head into Thursday of next week.